Well, I'm sorry, but the bar is closed. Maybe we can get you on your way home.
I have nowhere to go.
It's okay. It's all right.
No, you're. I think that I need to take a shower.
Okay.
Thank you, Clay.
You are playing with the hottest kind of fire there.
And I'm gonna go take a long hot shower. Are you coming?
No. Not for a while.
Okay, then. How long do you intend to avoid being alone with me? Please don't say no. I'm a grown woman, Clay, and I want you.
Touch all you want. You're the only good thing I know.